Hi, I'm Usama, and I'm gonna tell you how to buy, sell, and gift stocks on Cash App. So you wanna get into investing? It's not for old guys in suits anymore, okay? You can do it, I can do it, my mom can do it, all on Cash App. How do you do it? Let's start at the Money tab, hit Start Investing. We're gonna go to the Search. You can go by name, by categories, by performance. You can do a filter with Advanced. I'm gonna go both. Apply. You see the logos of companies here. Let's go this stock right here. Hit buy. Some options here. I'm gonna hit the 3 dots, go $7. Why not? Hit next. You can ask you for your legal name. Usama. Nah. Hit next. Date of birth. Throw that in there. Social Security. For me, that's right here. Loading right now. You see the information right there. $7 of this stock right here. Confirm. And bam, the stock is purchased. Done. You can go back to the Stocks tab. See the My Investments is right there. Go to the details. See how much you're invested, the dividends, it's all there. And you can buy the stock whenever you want, but the actual action might happen only during market hours. So be ready for that.
So how do you sell stocks on Cash App?
Selling stocks, same kind of idea. Go back to the Money tab, hit Stocks. You'll see the stocks owned right there, right? Let's tap that. The sell options right here. Let's sell $2 of our stock. Get out of here, $2. Boom. Confirm. Then voila. And the money might post immediately, or it might take 2 business days. So chill out on that. It should be coming ASAP.
What if you wanted to give someone stock as a gift?
Is that a hint?
Yeah.
It's your birthday. I do that. That is your birthday. Okay. And let me give you a totally not last minute gift here. Maggie, let's go to stocks. Hit the stocks that we got. And there's buy, sell. There's also a little gift icon right here. Gift. I'm gonna give you $1 of my stock. We're not that close. Tap in a little note for my not stranger friend B-Day gift. And boom. Happy birthday.
Whoa, I just got it.
There you go. My name is Usama, and this is how you buy, sell, and gift stocks on Cash App. Like and subscribe the Cash App's YouTube page for more tips and insights. Happy birthday to you. I knew it was happening.